Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Gmail phone number. So you have to go to the Gmail first, then you have to click on this profile icon which is top right corner, then click on manage your Google account. Now choose personal info, the second option, and scroll down. Then you'll find here the phone number, this one. Click on phone number and now click on again. Then you'll find here a pencil icon. Click on this pencil icon, click on again, and if you want to update the number or change the number, choose update number, and you have to put here your update number here like this. Now click on next. Now click on get code. Okay, something went wrong. Then you have to choose the country code, then click on next, get code. Okay, here's showing something wrong, but in your case if you click on get code, you will receive a code in this number what you have typed here. Okay, so then after that you have to fill that code to verify your account. After verify your account, your number will be changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.